I'm going to show you how to sell your phone to this phone machine. Now what it is you just get instant cash for selling your phone to this machine, and all you need to do is you need to dispute your license in here. If you're trying to sell it a fake phone, you shouldn't, because you're going to get scammed. But you basically touch the screen. You can actually select which one you would like to do today, whether you want to do price and sell, which is likely what you want to do, unless you want to recycle your phone for no cash. And once you click on the price and recycle, you will need to enter the ID into the machine, and you want to click on got it in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. From the next slide, you simply want to click on yes, assuming you still want to bring your device into the machine and sell it. Once you click on yes, you'll be on this page like so, where you're going to select the type of device you have, just a few general questions to know what it can base your value of your phone on, so it can determine how much cash it will actually give you depending on how much your phone is actually worth. Now, once you've actually removed the case, you simply want to put your phone in the box down here, and doing so will actually allow it to determine if you sell it for cash or not. Now, you don't have to confirm it, but you can say yes if you want to sell it, or no, and it will give you your phone right back. And you'll just get cash out as well as your receipt here at the end. You do have to be 18 to use this though.